Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing some basics of hand lettering, also brush calligraphy or modern calligraphy for beginners. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. So let's get into the video. So these are the brush that I'm gonna use today. So first, let's see how to upstroke and downstroke. Getting used to this is very important for beginners. Starting with the upstroke, when you are going to do upstroke, it's going to be light, it's normally thin, and only the tip of the pen is going to run through the paper. Giving no pressure is very important. Practice yourself doing both these type, one straight and one little slanting, by tilting your pen towards the right. And for downstrokes, it's just the opposite. Give more pressure and it's normally thick, and keep practicing till you get it right. I would recommend to use some worksheets for practicing. The more you practice, the more you get good results. I'll mention some of the worksheet links that I used to learn from in the description box. And the next type is a wave type, which is basically trying both the up and down stroke together. Go down and again up and down. Keep practicing till you get it right. And now let's try this using some alphabets. So it's going up and coming down again, up, down for alphabet A, and repeat the same, but when you're going down you give thick downstroke, and when you're going up you give the very thin light upstroke. I'll mention the air marks for better understanding. So that's the upstroke, then down. So you get the thick strokes, up and down. Now let's try with using some codes. We'll see how it look all together in a code. Tombow is actually the most convenient brush I felt, and it's my personal favorite. I'm using the dual tip soft brush here. You can see how it is. Keep practicing till you get it right. You can also give a thick stroke like that. Voila! Thanks for watching.